Hi, this is Glenn. I'm part of the Quacera team. We want to do a Quacera update on the surge in Bitcoin that's taken place here. It's currently one of the highlights of the market. Here's the price of Bitcoin here since last year. You can see what's happened. This is the surge. That's obvious. This began really back in October, right after the market as a whole hit a low for the year, and began its current move. But this is the move anticipating Bitcoin listing ETF listings. And on January 11th, 4 Bitcoin ETFs were listed, and it's been nothing but positive since. These are Barron's article here last over the weekend, and talked about what was going on. That what's behind the force behind the recent surge are the listing of the ETFs. Grayscale Bitcoin, that they have changed their form. They are now an ETF, but there were four other ones were listed. These four new ones will be included in the Quacera Daily Momentum Report this week. And this is the Quacera Daily Momentum Report. This is as of last Friday, and we'll go into that in just a minute. It's a daily update. And this is the Quacera QPM Radar. We're going to compare here cryptocurrencies and the Magnificent Seven. Real quick tutorial. This is the quadrant A, positive momentum outperforming the S&P. Quadrant D, negative momentum underperforming the S&P. And we'll start here on October 11th of last year. This is the cryptocurrencies, and this is the Magnificent Seven. None of them were doing much of anything here. This actually is the low of the market for the last year. Looking here on the 11th, you had Marathon Digital Holdings here was priced at $7.90, and Bitcoin was Bitcoin here was at a modest 26,879. Let's see what's happened since then. The last part of the year and into this at the beginning this year. Obviously, the cryptocurrencies were leading momentum at the end of the year here. The Magnificent Seven were holding their own, but they weren't gaining much. And they split up here as we get into the new year, and some are magnificent, some are not as magnificent. Whereas the cryptocurrencies overall are performing spectacularly. And we get in here at the end of March, at the end of February, and this is where we ended last Friday. And you can see now Mara, which was at 7, is now at 27, and the Bitcoin, which was at 26,000, something like that, is now at 62,000. And that's what the QPM Radar is designed to do. Now I want to go take a look at the Quacera website, quacera.pythonanywhere.com. And here's the cryptocurrency reports. These are updated every day. And this is we'll take a look here at the momentum. Let's just look at Bitcoin. This is the last 30 days of momentum. And you can see it's been positive. Anything above the red line is positive, but it's been gaining strength. And it's important to note, these reports are not a buy and sell report. These reports are on momentum. What we're trying to find out, who is the most aggressive? Are the buyers or the sellers the most aggressive? And is there a change in that in that theater happening? That's what we will tell by momentum. This is just one tool that you use for managing your portfolio. And this is a quick, maybe a beginning look to see where the action is, and then you can go from there to do your whatever analysis that you use. We'll take a look here at some of the other ones. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven here. And you can tell Alphabet, which is having their Bud Light problems, has had positive momentum. It's now negative momentum. Then go back to Meta platforms, which is very similar to crypto to Bitcoin, has positive momentum and it's gaining momentum. This is what we're looking for. Go back to the cryptos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your interest. If you have any questions, email Glenn@Quacera.com, Glenn, Glenn @Quacera.com, and we'll get back to you. Thank you.